are we headed, Lauren?
We're going to Edinburgh and brag everyone is.
Okay, update. Well, actually, we haven't vlogged yet, so welcome to Scotland. We are in Edinburgh, and we are in the train station, and we are on our way to dinner. We are so hungry, but we are so excited.
It's called lettuce?
Plug and lettuce, yeah. And we just had the most beautiful train ride. We saw the sunset. It was awesome, so we're gonna go get some food. So we are currently trying to make our beds at our hostel, and this is the process.
Okay, I got it. What are we doing? We gotta put our actions down.
So update, we are in our hostel, and it is super cute. It's called the Lighthouse Hostel. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll show you downstairs. Isn't that so cool, guys? It's like, I don't know, it's a hostel, but it's just so nice, and we're just, yeah, it's really awesome. Wait, what? So anyway, it's like 10 p.m. and we're all settled in, and our beds are made, and we have a full day tomorrow, so we're gonna turn in kind of early so we can wake up and get a head start for our day. But yeah, so stay tuned. Had coffee at the Elephant House Cafe, and that's where J.K. Rowling wrote the Harry Potter books. So that was really fun. And now we're on Victoria Street, which is like the most photographed street in Scotland, I think. In the, what is it, Greyfriars Kirkyard. It's a cemetery, and it's where J.K. Rowling J.K. Rowling got the ideas for the names for
Professor McGonagall and Tom Riddle, who's Lord Voldemort.
So here's one of them. It is wet, it is cold, but we are still having fun. We're making it happen. I'm gonna try this. Starbucks right now, and we wandered around for a long time. We rushed through everything this morning.
Yes.
We kind of rushed through everything this morning, so we didn't really have a plan for this afternoon, and it's like pouring down rain, been the whole day. So we had some Starbucks, and we wandered around, and
The stores. Lush.
yeah, we went to Lush, got some Wi-Fi.
Oh, we found a place to eat dinner. We went to a Mexican
Yes.
restaurant. It looks so good.
So excited for Mexican. We
Oh,
can't
and we
wait.
planned the ghost tour.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do a ghost tour tonight in the underground vaults. We're so excited for that. Can't wait. But we're gonna head back to the Royal Mile and hopefully find some cute, like, local artists and crafts and stuff, and see what we can find and kill some time until dinner. So yeah,
Bear the rain.
yeah. Oh my gosh, we're so wet, but it's okay. We just
got this
smashed
mint
the
in my mouth.
Mexican.
You smashed it.
We just
Both
smashed our
smashed?
Mexican. So there's water. That's good. And now we're gonna go do a ghost tour.
Yeah.
We're going into our ghost tour in the underground vault. And he asked, is anybody claustrophobic or afraid of the dark? Me. And now I'm totally regretting this. Like, I'm freaking out.
Okay, I'll go to bed.
Okay.
I'm not freaking out.
I'm freaking out.
It's nothing. So you'd be mad if I freaked you out.
Oh my god. So, 2 weeks ago, when was it, that Christian Kyle came here?
Yeah, I think like 2 weeks.
So like 2 weeks ago, the guys ditched us and came here without us. So now we're here having a girls' weekend.
Girls weekend.
Girls' weekend. But we're feeling a little ambitious, but it's okay. But our goal today, number one goal, is to not pull a Christian and to not fall down.
One of us is falling. I don't know who I want to put my money on though. I really don't. I don't think you will. I think you're pretty strong in the feet area. I want to say Emma. I know it's horrible, but I can see Emma tumbling.
So our goal is not to pull a Christian. Christian, yeah. You hear that? We're not going to do that. So.
No.
Okay, update. We are not climbing that. Thank God. We're climbing that. Which I don't know that that's any better.
It's definitely
But yeah. That's what we're climbing. We are climbing, and the workout is real. So, the jacket came off, the hat went on, and I took a break, but this is the view. So the fog just rolled in, but we were able to get some pictures in time before it rolled in. I didn't video all the way at the top, but you probably saw some cool clips. So maybe the fog will roll out, but we're gonna try and go get a picture up there at King Arthur's Seat. So we just finished climbing King Arthur's Seat, and we're gonna go grab some lunch and head to the train station. So yeah, Scotland, you've definitely outdone yourself, and I'm very happy that I finally got to come here. I've been planning it for a year, and I'm very stoked. Heart is very full.